The subject complexity is a very active area of research today. There are thousands of papers that have been written already. Dozens of books are written all about the subject of complexity. And surprisingly though, there are very few people, even the well-known scientists working in complexity, really know what is complexity. It is a rather surprising thing, and so this is why I'm giving this lecture, to explain what complexity is. And the reason this has not been understood for so many years is because there is no foundation that one can base, like physics, you can say there's none on complexity. So most of in fact, almost everything written in books and journals are what I call anecdotes. They're just stories, they're examples. There were absolutely no unification of what is the meaning of complexity, and moreover, how to exploit it, why is it important? And this is all the subject of my talk. For this very short commentary here, I would just simply say that without complexity, we would not have television today, we would not have iPhone, we would not have cell phone, mobile phone, almost anything electronics would not be possible. So it is that important. And there is a foundation, in fact, for this that is unknown, which is the subject of my talk today. And if you ask me what are the two words, if you want to remember only two words from my talk today, the two words are local activity and edge of chaos. So these are the two fundamental concepts of my talk. These two fundamental concepts will explain what complexity is. So this, the talk today will be very original in that sense, that it will give a foundation to the subject that everybody talking about but didn't know what it was, or were afraid to ask. And now this would be an excellent location also for me to introduce this subject, because not only because of this honoris causa that was very fortunate and grateful to be receiving this morning, but also I have a long history of collaboration with scientists and researchers from Politecnico, Torino, and so it'll be a natural continuation and a magnification of our collaboration. And so I believe that this subject of complexity, which is based on local activity principle, is going to be fundamental in future research, in future advancement, when we are going to see machines that will act more like humans, robots that can not only follow instruction, but can think, or robots that even has emotion and certain form of consciousness. All of this, it will be possible only because there is a principle of local activity and the edge of chaos, which are the two pillars of complexity principle. And this is going to be my talk in half an hour from now.